Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Bilbao Garden Dining Set. In the Bilbao Garden Dining Set we will find a dining chair and a dining table that's available in two versions, a fixed and an extendable one. The non-extendable table measures at 205 centimetres in length and comfortably sits 6 people. The extendable table measures at 205 centimetres while closed and 275 centimetres while extended, comfortably seating 8 to 10 people. What I love about the extendable table is that it extends easily with the aid of a chain mechanism, and the extension leaf can be safely stored away within the table when it's not in use. I also love how sleek the table is, again emphasising the slimline design. The Bilbao chair also features an aluminium frame and it has a black robe detail to contrast it. We have a dark grey seat and back cushion that complements it very well. This chair is a bucket style chair which is very comfortable as it hugs around you as you sink into it. This range is quite modern with its simple and slimline design. It would be an ideal fit for your already contemporary garden or patio. Enjoy your garden parties this summer with the Bilbao Garden Dining Set by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.